Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make browsing faster in Google Chrome. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So if your Google Chrome has started slowing down and you're experiencing some lag or it's taking a while to load up, there's a couple of things you can do to actually speed this up. So the first thing you want to do if I open up Google Chrome is make sure you've got the most up-to-date Google Chrome browser. And to check this, what you need to do is click the three dots up in the top right hand corner. And then what you want to do is come down to Help and then go to About Google Chrome. And you can see down here it's going to automatically check for your version of Google Chrome and make sure it's up to date. Obviously, if it's not up to date, there is going to be an option to update. So that's the first thing you can try. The next thing to do is if you actually go to your extensions. So to get there, you need to go to Chrome, two dots, // and then type extensions. And what you want to do is just go through all of these. And if there's any you're not using, just remove them because there's no point having them on if you don't use them because it's just going to basically slow down your browser. So for example, this channel blocker, I've got it switched on, but I don't really use it. So I'll just go ahead and click remove. And you can do the same for any of the others. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to check is your apps. So again, you want to click here where it says show apps. And if you've got any of these apps that you don't use, for example, I don't really use Google Drive that much, so I'm just going to right click and then come down and click on to remove from Chrome. And you can do this for any of these, you just right click and just click on to remove from Chrome. The final thing you can try is if you actually come again to your settings. So go to the three dots, come down to settings, and then you want to go on to advanced. And then come down and click onto system. And what you want to basically do is make sure this option here is on, which says use hardware acceleration when available. What this is basically going to do is use your computer's processor, so the CPU. So when there's some spare processing power available, it's actually going to use that to accelerate your system and your programs and your Google Chrome, for example. So that's a few things you can try. Hopefully that should speed up your browser slightly. If you've tried those tips and tricks and you're still getting, very bad lag and it's still very slow, the last thing I would say would be to just literally uninstall Google Chrome and reinstall it. So this is going to take everything back to scratch, and that should resolve any problems you have. But I hope you found that helpful. If it did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.